Sweet Night Twin Mattress in a box, smartly shipped to your door for easy setup. No risk, we will supply you with the best price of the mattress. We are the maker, no channel cost, real quality at half price. Our bed mattress supports 10 years. Vacuum packed in a hygiene packaging, we ensure a clean and well-packed mattress arrives at your doorstep safely. Over 96% of our customers keep their twin-size spring hybrid mattress and refer it to others. About Sweet Night Mattress, sleep is very important. The Sweet Night is here to help you do a better job in bed. After over 10,000 users' experience, feedback, studies, people, bodies, countless material testing, we have created this twin-size mattress just for you. What makes Sweet Night Hybrid Mattress so different? Breathable quilted knit pillow top cover, designed to move both heat and moisture away. Gel memory foam layer for slowly adjusts to body weight and temperature. It provides a buffer so you never feel the coils for optimal comfort. High-density foam with an airflow design provides that just right combination of cushioning comfort and enhanced support. Individually wrapped pocketed tempered steel coils for the ultimate support. Reduce what is in the box. 1x Sweet Night twin-size mattresses, night sleep opener, 1x manual and card. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The perfect balance of support and comfort. Sweet Night Twin Mattress constructed with individually wrapped inner spring and memory foam. Individual pocket spring offers all over and average support. The high-density foam layer makes you feel comfortable. The gel memory foam layer slowly adjusts to body weight and temperature. It provides a buffer so you never feel the coils for optimal comfort, giving you better quality sleep on this twin-size mattress. Number 2. Motion isolation, minimizing partner disturbance. Individually wrapped coils encased in separate pockets. It moves independently to prevent motion transfer between partners. Also provides an equal weight distribution by contouring to the curves of your body, relieving pressure points for an undisturbed, better night of rest. This pillow top mattress resists sagging, roll-off, and with a medium firm feel. Number 3. Health and hypoallergenic mattresses. Luxury quilted knit covers made from natural material for optimal health and allergy prevention. CertiPure US certified foam is made without harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. High-quality carbon steel spring coil for the rust and deformation, anti-corrosion, and extremely durable. It's simply a twin-size mattress that is made for a good night's sleep and waking up feeling refreshed. Number 4. No risk. As the brand owner and maker, the best price mattress you can get. Our bed mattresses come with 10 years. Over 96% of our customers keep their twin-size hybrid mattress and refer it to others. Number 5. Mattress in a box, smartly shipped and easy setup. Our 8 inches hybrid mattress is compressed, rolled and shipped in a box conveniently to your door for easy to install. They fit all twin-size frames, such as box spring, floor, slatted base, flat platform. Recovery of 72 hours is recommended for your new mattress to get to its original, plush shape and dissipate the odor. Number 6. Healthy foam for safety. The foam is healthy and safe. Plus, made of CertiPure US certified foam without any harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. Enjoy a healthier sleep with a hybrid mattress. Number 7. Motion isolation and full support. Divided into different zones, the wrapped coils work independently to provide a localized bounce in different zones, with no interference between springs. Helps to reduce motion transfer. The premium tempered steel coils make the mattress bouncy yet supportive, offering targeted support for comfortable sleep. Number 8. Stay cool and heat dissipation. Gel-infused memory foam slowly adjusts to your body weight and temperature for sleep, cool, and pressure relief. Helps you fall asleep and stay cool throughout the night. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.